It's recording now. Is that too hard?
No, I thought I didn't have to draw it.
Okay. All right. You recording? Okay. Can you draw that? Okay. Can you draw that?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you draw? That's way too hard. How about that? Done? Let me see. Not bad. Not bad. Alright, one more. That one. Good job. Alright. Good job. Alright. This is a hundreds chart. Have you ever seen this? You know how to count to 100, don't you?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22.
Okay, you don't have to. Okay, you don't have to count, sweetie. Okay, what I'm going to show you. These are called. These are just called 10 frames, or these aren't 10 frames. These are just 10 blocks. This is a group of 10 blocks that makes. It's one group. You see how it goes fits on there like that?
Mm-hmm.
How many blocks of 10 would I had to fill this row? To get to 20. If we have one block that gets to 10, how many blocks of 10 do we need to get to 20?
Two?
Well, you're right. There's 2 blocks here. You're technically right. Okay. Do you know how to count by tens?
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70,
Okay.
80, 90, 100.
Do you know?
10 and 20.
Do you know how to count by twos?
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18,
Okay.
20,
All right.
22, 24, 26,
Okay.
28.
Okay. Yeah, that's really good. I'm really surprised. Okay.
I learned that from my teacher.
All right. So what we have? These are little two blocks. Okay. Okay. So one of these. This is one group of 2. Here's 2 groups of 2. How many groups of 2 do we need to get to 8? How many more groups of 2 do we need? If there's already 2 here, and that's 4, how many more groups of 2? There's 2 groups of 2 here.
2.
Good.
Easy.
Right. Oh, that's easy, is it? How many groups of 2 do we need to get to 14? How many more?
Three?
Very good.
I counted with my finger.
You counted with your fingers, but can you? Okay, all right, that's really good. All right, so I think you got the 2s down pretty well. All right, so let's try a little bit harder. How about groups of 3s? Do you know how to count by 3s?
Nope.
You don't? Well, let's learn. Okay,
3.
there's one group of 3. What's 3 plus 3?
6.
Okay, so we have 2 groups of 3. What's 6 plus 3?
9.
Okay, so There's 3 groups of 3. So 3 groups of 3 equals 9. How many more groups of 3 do we need to reach 15? So if 3 groups of 3 equals 9, how many more groups of 3 do we need to get to 15?
3.
Close. 2. Just 2. Because what happens is this ends right here, and that goes like that. Not bad though. All right. How many groups of 3 do we need to get to 18? If there's 5 here, let's see. That's right. Yeah, that was 9. That's right.
2.
Just 1. Not bad. All right, you can stop.